Welcome back. In this video, we will be solving the lab username enumeration via subtly different responses using FFUF. We are using Firefox Developer Edition. Before we begin, create word lists containing usernames and passwords. Open a terminal and create a file named usernames.txt. Go to Browser, copy the list of usernames, paste the usernames and save the file. Create another file named passwords.txt for saving passwords. Copy the list of passwords. Paste and save the file. Go back to the browser. Let's capture a legitimate login attempt to use as our template. Navigate to My Account. Before entering credentials, open Firefox Developer Tools and head to the Network tab. Enable Persist Logs so the request doesn't disappear when the page reloads. Enter any random credentials and click Login. Switch to Inspector tab and right-click the Post Login request. Select Copy and then click Copy Request Headers. Now let's move to the terminal. Create a new file named request.txt and paste your headers into the file. Now go back to the Inspector window and click Request tab. Copy the raw payload. In the request file, hit Enter twice after the headers to create a blank line. This blank line is the standard HTTP delimiter, separates the headers from the body. Paste the payload. Now let's make two quick edits. Change the value of username with fuzz. And delete the content length header. FFUF will automatically calculate and inject the correct length for each request, so we don't need to do it manually. Save the file. Now the word lists and request file are ready. Let's find the valid user. In the terminal, type FFUF space -request space request.txt. Request is the raw request method. This method lets you load a full raw HTTP request from a file and fuzz parts of it. Then define the request protocol, -request proto HTTPS. After that, the word list option with usernames.txt. Next is the filter regular expressions option -fr with exact error message, invalid username or password, including the dot. The lab title warns us of subtly different responses, which usually means a tiny change in the error message, like a missing period or a different space. Therefore, we cannot avoid the dot. We use a backslash before the dot. In regex, a dot matches any character. Escaping it ensures we are matching a literal period. The FR will filter all the responses containing the exact same error message. Since a valid username triggers a slightly different response, it will stand out in our results. Optionally, add -C if you want to colorize the output. Hit Enter. Fuzzing finished, and we have a valid username on screen. Now that we have a valid username, let's find the password. Reopen request.txt. Replace fuzz with the valid username we just found. Change the password value to fuzz. Save the file. Recall the previous fuzz command. Change usernames.txt to passwords.txt. And replace the entire filter regeps line with -mc space 302. A successful login typically results in a 302 redirect to the account page. Hit Enter. The password is displayed on the terminal. We have our credentials, back to the browser, log in, and the lab is complete. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.